Hello there. Let me teach you how to pronounce ha in Ndebele. Okay. So let's do this. Do this after me. Ha, he, chi, ho, ho. I know. It sounds like there's an R there that we put in the H somewhere, but that's how we make the sound. Okay. Let's do it again. Slower this time. Ha, he, chi, ho, ho. So as a beginner, it's okay if you pronounce it like this. You can simplify this syllable for yourself and pronounce it like this. Ha. Just exhale out and just say ha, he, hi, ho, ho. So if you say hamba and someone else says hamba, we can still hear that both of you are saying go. Okay. Try and pronounce it like I'm doing, but if you're struggling, just say ha. Just do it like that. It's okay. All right. So let me give you some verbs that use the ha sound, and we'll make some simple sentences from those verbs. That way you are going to get this pronunciation correct. The first verb I have for you is hamba. Hamba, meaning go. Let's use it in sentences. Here is a question. Uhamba lobani. Whom are you going with? Uhamba lobani. And the answer for that question could be ngihamba ngedwa. I am going alone. Ngihamba ngedwa. Okay? Another question. Uyahamba nini. When will you be going? Uyahamba nini. Okay? Here is an answer for it. Ngizahamba kusasa. I will be going tomorrow. Ngizahamba kusasa. Another question, a bit similar to the previous one, but listen. Uyahamba yini. Uyahamba yini means are you going? Okay? And an answer would be yebo ngiyahamba. Yes, I'm going. Next verb. Khela. Khela means have labor pains or be in labor. Khela. So here is how you would say Musa's mom is feeling labor pains. Unamusa uyakhelelwa. Unamusa uyakhelelwa. Namusa is in labor. Okay? We move on to the next verb, and it is khicha. Khicha, meaning suffocate. Okay, if you wanted to say you are suffocating me, you'd be like uyangichicha. Uyangichicha. You are suffocating me. Okay, lastly, let me teach you the verb hola. Hola, meaning get paid. Hola. Here is a sentence using the verb. Ubaba uholile namuhla. Father got paid today. Ubaba uholile namuhla. Okay? Father got paid today. Another sentence. Ulethe imali yami nxa suholile. Bring back my money once you get paid. Ulethe imali yami nxa suholile. Okay, bring back my money once you get paid. And the question, when are you getting paid, is uhola nini. Uhola nini. When are you getting paid? You could answer and say ngihola ngomvulo. I am getting paid on Monday. Ngihola ngomvulo. Okay, what's your experience? How are you finding the ha sound? Are you managing to make it? I hope you are. Okay, so please don't forget to like this video if you got something from it. And let me see you in the next one. Bye for now.